Friends, you're welcome back again to our video channel. Now I want to show you how to withdraw free Bitcoin from BitTycoon platform. Is an app where you earn free Bitcoin by watching few seconds ads. So I want to show you, if you want to make withdrawal of what you've gained, exactly how to do so quickly. While you're on the front page here, you go to where you have wallet. That is this place. You can see the button that says withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then the system requires that you bind your account that is your Gmail account. So I'm going to click on go to choose my Gmail. So be ready to do that. Okay, that's the Gmail account I want to use. So just pay attention before you make withdrawals. So binding successfully. I've now binded the account. I can now click on withdraw. Now the system, at this point, you'll be able to know the next thing to do. The system says, here says minimum amount to be withdrawn is this 0.000022. That's the minimum amount to be withdrawn. Then which network are you using? Are you using BNB Smart Chain, Web Change or whatever, or are you using BNB any Bitcoin? Let me just try this one. If you are using Bitcoin, the minimum you can withdraw is 0.0006. You can understand. Now once you have chosen what you want, you long press to paste. That is to say, whatever you earn from here, you can withdraw it either as a Bitcoin or BNB Smart Chain. So if it's BNB Smart Chain, this is exactly what is expected of you to have at the 0.000022. Then once you do that, you now click on this and click on withdrawal. Instantly, you are whatever earnings we get into your system. Now you have to pay attention. If you choose BNB Smart Chain, make sure you are putting in a BNB Smart Chain address. Don't make mistake of put this and now add Bitcoin address. If you use Bitcoin, make sure you put the Bitcoin address. So that's exactly. You can see even the minimum withdrawal is so small. It's not that big. So if you are not mining Bitcoin through this system, you are really wasting time. So I'm going to encourage you, look at the description part of this video, look at the link, sign up with it, and start mining. It's very simple. Now let me show you quickly, for those of us who may not know, how to simply mine this. Now look at this. All I need to do, because I'm using a free version, you can use paid versions. This free version, look at this free contract. I can click any of them to watch ad. Let me use this one for instance.
A blurry photo stayed on my phone for 3 years. I fixed it in 3 seconds.
Now that I'm done watching ads, I want to remove this. Okay. Now watch what is going on now. You see, now say continue. I click on continue to claim that it has been added to my earning. So you can do this. I can still play it again. I can still use this one. Those two of them. But if you have money to upgrade, see, these ones are higher earnings. You understand? So that's exactly how it works. You can see very simple. You can always be part of this. So just quickly look at the link, sign up with it, and start mining free Bitcoin. And you can see the minimum threshold, payment threshold is, the payment threshold is so small, meaning that you can always get there on time. If you're new to our channel, do well to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it makes sense to you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.